racing in the Emirates Singapore Derby. They all got away well. He's taken Big Maverick back to last, and Jolly Shinju bounced the gates quickly. Jabal Tariq, Kiero Bala on the outside, followed by Ribeiro, the rails. Golden Number with a white cap. He's going forward. Win in slotting over behind them with Restored. A little bit wide is Subordinate, followed by the Hornet as they wend their way out of the straight. Dravetti caught a little bit deep. The next one is the Hornet between runners. Marco Kid back on the rails inside a Switchblade. Big Maverick's back fourth last. The next one, Wachai, then Keep Away, and Imperial Green at the tail. He's about 16 lengths off the leader, Jolly Shinju, as they hit the back stretch, 1,300 to go. Jolly's by about a half a length on Golden Number. 3 or 4 away to Jabal Tariq, and then Kiero Bailar, followed by Ribeiro. Then Win In, Restored, Subordinate, the Hornet. Dravetti caught out 3 wide. Marco Kid the rails. The next one is Switchblade, followed by Big Maverick. He's about a dozen lengths from Jolly Shinju. The next one is Wachai, and they're followed by Keep Away, and Imperial Green is last. They run towards the 900 metres mark, and she's gone through the first 800 in 48.7, so that's a good strong gallop. Jolly Shinju by 4 lengths. Golden Numbers off the bit already. He's 4 away in second spot. A further 3 to Jabal Tariq, then Kiero Bailar. Ribeiro is starting his move. He's got the red cap on. The rest of them a mile back, followed by Restored, and then Win In. They're followed by Subordinate, Big Maverick. A long way back is Marco Kid, but Jolly Shinju, she's 4 lengths in front of the Emirates Singapore Derby, showing no signs of stopping. He hasn't moved on her as yet. Jolly Shinju, she's in front by 4 lengths on Jabal Tariq. Ribeiro is up to third. Now Big Maverick getting into the clear, but he's giving Jolly 6 lengths head start. Jolly Shinju, the first filly for about 36 years. She's going to take the Emirates Singapore Derby. Big Maverick trying hard in second spot, but it's hip hip hooray for Jolly Shinju, the first mare to take the Triple Crown. She wins it by 5 lengths. Second goes to Big Maverick, third close, Marco Kid or Jabal Tariq. Ribeiro didn't go on with it, then Imperial Green, followed by Wachai, then Restored. They were followed by Kiero Bala, Switchblade, the next one, Keep Away, Win In. They're followed by the Hornet, then Subordinate. They're coming in a mile behind. Dravetti didn't stay, and Golden Number was last.